Welcome back to your science class. Today we will study what are exactly shadows and how shadows are formed. You all must have seen shadows. Shadows can be of your body, shadows can be of different objects. But have you ever wondered how these shadows are formed? Well, I'll tell you, children. See, shadows are formed when light is blocked by any opaque object. Okay, you have already studied about opaque object. What are opaque object? Opaque objects are the objects which does not allow light to pass through them. Okay, for example, see, this is a pencil box. This is opaque. This is a cream. This is opaque. It will not allow light to pass through it. So shadows are formed by opaque objects. Clear, children? And how are shadows formed by opaque objects? Whenever an opaque object comes in the path of the light. Okay, for example, just now I showed you the pencil box. See, here I have got the pencil box. Okay, now this pencil box, this is coming from this side, so there is no shadow. It is not blocking the path of the light. Okay, but now my the light in at my house is coming from this side. Okay, it is coming from this side. So what is happening now? If I place this pencil box, see, I have placed it in the path of the light, from where the light is coming. So see, you can see, children, you can see the shadow of the pencil box clearly, isn't it? See, I have removed it. Now again you see I have. So what is happening when any opaque objects block the path of the light? At that time shadows are formed. Here what is happening? This pencil box, see, you can see the pencil box. This pencil box is in the path of the light. So that is why in this you can see the shadow of the pencil box. Clear, children? So this is how shadows are formed. See, I have removed this pencil box from the path of the light, so you can see now it is very clear. The camera is very clear. But when I place any, it's not only the pencil box, it can be anything. Okay, if I place this book, see, this is a book. From if I bring it from this side, since it is not blocking the path of the light, no shadow is formed. But the same book, when I bring it the other side from here, see, it is blocking the path of the light. So can you see the shadow? I hope, children, that you can see the shadow of this book. See, this book has, book is opaque. It has obstructed the path of the light, or you can say it has blocked the path of the light. So that is why it is forming a shadow. See, you can see very clearly the shadow of the book. Clear, student? So this is how shadow is formed. How is shadow formed? When any opaque object blocks the path of the light, shadows are formed. Okay, and here see, you can play, you must have played with your hands. You can form many animals with your hand. Shadows of animals hidden in your hand. What do you have to do? You have to just place your hand. Okay, wherever the light is coming, in between the light you have to place your hand, and then you can see beautiful shadows like this. Clear, children? Then what are the characteristic of the shadows? See, if you look at this shadow, not only the shadow of the hands, even if our body, have you ever noticed, children, that the shadow, you can see in the figure also, shadow is always black in color. Okay, this is first characteristic. Then shadow only shows the outline of an object. Here you can see very clearly. You cannot see the object. You cannot see the hand. What is the shadow showing? Shadow is showing the outline of the object. So shadow always, first characteristic is that shadow always shows the outline of the object. Then shadow is always black in color. Even if the object is colored. Okay, you take flowers. You can take flowers. Okay, you can take a red flower, red rose, or a yellow rose. But if you take the red rose and the yellow rose and then you put it in the path of the light, what about the shadows? Do the shadows look different in color when the colors of the objects are different? No. Even if you take a red rose or a yellow rose, or if you are wearing a black or a white dress, what will the shadow look like? The shadow will be always black in color. Clear, children? So, what are the characteristics of shadows? One is the shadows are always black in color. They are never colored. Okay? Then the shadow always shows the outline of the object. Whatever outline, you can see that the outline of the object is formed by the shadow. Clear, children? So, I hope this much is clear to all of you. Thank you.